Many people believe that physical touch, kissing, or even deeper intimacy are the key ways to spark attraction. But what if I told you that one of the most effective ways to stir emotions doesn't require any physical touch at all? It all comes down to the power of your words. With the right words, you can create deep emotional connection, elevate attraction, and make someone long for more. Only a select few truly understand how to harness this power, and those who do have a significant advantage. Today, I'll be showing you how to tap into that power, so you can take your connection and confidence to a whole new level. By the end of this video, you'll have a skill that could transform the way you engage with others, both emotionally and intimately. Stick with me, because this video is packed with insights that will help you improve your communication and deepen connections. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on valuable advice like this. Why? Words matter in deepening connection. Here's something important to understand. Many people are drawn to feeling wanted and appreciated. It's one of the strongest psychological triggers for attraction. When you express your admiration, appreciation, and desire for someone in a genuine way, you can create a deep emotional impact. Unfortunately, many people hold back, feeling unsure of what to say or how to express their emotions. But once you start expressing your feelings with confidence and sincerity, everything shifts. Today, I'm sharing 8 powerful phrases that you can start using today to deepen connection and increase attraction. 8 phrases that create deep emotional connection. I love your personality. I love your energy. I love the way you smile. Complimenting specific traits helps build confidence and shows admiration. Women appreciate feeling seen for who they truly are. You're amazing to be around. Sometimes, a simple acknowledgement like this can increase someone's awareness of how much you value them. It also strengthens their sense of self-assurance. You turn me on in the best way. Letting someone know how much you appreciate their presence and energy is one of the most flattering things you can say. It deepens your connection and amplifies the attraction. Yes, that feels amazing. A simple word, when said with genuine appreciation and attention, can be incredibly powerful. Giving positive feedback shows that you're in tune with the moment and that you truly enjoy the connection. You look incredible when you fill in the blank. Complimenting specific actions or moments can make someone feel seen and valued. Whether it's the way they laugh, how they dress, or a unique gesture, this shows appreciation for the details that make them special. I love seeing you enjoy yourself. When you let someone know that their happiness and comfort matter to you, it builds trust and anticipation. It shows that their feelings are important and you value their experience. I want to be close to you now. This simple statement taps into the desire to feel wanted and needed in the present moment. Saying it with confidence, especially in an intimate context, strengthens your connection and creates excitement. Let's enjoy this moment together. Giving clear, confident guidance can make things feel more in the moment. This shows that you're engaged and present, helping create a more profound emotional bond. How to feel confident speaking up. I understand that if you're not used to expressing yourself openly in intimate settings, it can feel a little awkward at first. But just like anything, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. The key is confidence. If you're unsure, start with 1 or 2 phrases in your next intimate moment. Deliver them slowly and thoughtfully. Pay attention to her reactions and allow yourself to become more comfortable. Over time, this practice will feel more natural, and you'll notice a significant shift in how she responds to you. Once you start using your words more consciously, you'll see a massive improvement in your emotional chemistry. The connection will deepen, and the experience will be more fulfilling for both of you. Taking it to the next level. Now that you have these powerful phrases, it's time to use them. Don't just watch. Apply what you've learned and see the difference it makes in your relationships. If you want to take things further and master the art of building attraction and keeping the spark alive, keep an eye out for my next video where I'll dive into even more advanced techniques.